Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to keep a website on top of other windows on your computer. So let's say you have a website that you always like to reference and you always want to have it easily accessible and not have to click off anything or minimize anything to see it. So the tool is called Float, and so you just download it, install it, then you just run it. Type in the website address, or you could paste it in. And now you can see you could navigate around the website. There's no forward and back buttons, but the whole point is just to keep a single page visible. You're not supposed to use this as a browser because they say it doesn't have the same security features as normal browsers, so it's just meant for one thing. But I think it's the most useful for playing videos, so you could just always have them on top there. Alright, so let's say we got this and we have Edge here, so you can see it's open in front. Open the mail, that's open in front too. Then you have some options here. You could change the opacity, like so. So you could kind of see through it still if you wanted to. Then they have experimental feature here for videos. So this will make videos as large as possible, hiding the other content. Does not work on all websites. And then ignore clicks if you want to ignore clicks within the window. Alright, so let's say we're playing this video here. Turn the volume. So now you can see you could have that playing as you're working. You know, drag it down in the corner, whatever you want to do. You can shrink it down, but that might affect the way the video looks if you're watching a video. So I'm recording this at a low resolution, so yeah, it should work better at full resolution for you. Alright, so let's try YouTube. You got to put the .com, by the way, otherwise it doesn't finish it for you. Or the .whatever. Well, let's just look up dogs, for example.
Is the glass half full? Half empty? With Aquasana, the contaminants you worry about most are removed.
All right, let's go back and try the focus video option here. So now you can see it just makes the video full screen without showing the rest of the YouTube page there. And now if we try reducing it, you can see it scales a little bit better. Now let's try turning that off. Now you can see we have the whole YouTube page here itself. Alright, so as you can see, it's kind of an interesting tool. You may find it useful, but like I said, I like to use this sometimes for watching videos and just keeping them on top of the page, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to them. And then if you use the focus video mode, it makes it easier just to scale down the window just to make it the size you like. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Float and you can try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.